Hello YouTubers, in today's video I'm on my way to a Ferrari car meet. Hello YouTubers, my name is Seb and you're watching Seb's Supercar. In today's video I'm on my way to a Ferrari car meet. So I think if you're a car enthusiast, it's a good idea to join the community. Some of the benefits of joining a community of your automotive make are at the meets you have like-minded members. They have the similar cars to you, so you can speak to other people with the same model and ask them about maybe some issues that you're having. If they've already experienced them, they might have some advice of how they address them. This event is being hosted by an exotic car dealer, so they're going to be providing some coffee, some refreshments, and they're establishing a relationship with the community. So in the future, perhaps you want to sell your car, they're hoping you go to them. So lots of great reasons to join, and I'm looking forward to meeting this group.
Toronto Auto Brokers catered in Starbucks coffee, a nice spread of croissants, other pastries, bagels, and there was more inside. They also had gifts that they gave out. I decided to check out the showroom.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Special thanks to Ferrari Club of America East for organizing the meet, and to Tab for organizing all the food and hosting us today. It was a great event. I had a lot of fun, met some people that I otherwise wouldn't have met in my own circles. So subscribe to my channel, Seb's Supercar, and so you can watch other videos of my journey with the Ferrari 360 Modena.